Jonathan with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a walk around video themed for Black Friday. So I thought I'd show you something that you can fit all your shopping needs inside of. This is a 2022 Carnival that we have on sale, well below retail value, certified pre-owned, so warranty up to 100,000 miles. Incredible value for what you get. And you know, the whole shtick of this car is that it's van-like utility without having to drive something that looks too much like a van. So you still have the sliding doors, spacious and contemporary interior, exciting technology, lane following assist, automatic high beams, forward collision avoidance. And like I said, if you're looking for a car that you can fit all your holiday shopping, probably your groceries, and a few people as well, you really can't go wrong with these guys. But at the same time, it really carries itself well. It doesn't feel like you're driving a tremendously large vehicle. So if you're looking for a great deal on a car to start off your Black Friday shopping and then fit all your other needs in it, come check this guy out. Call or stop by today.